Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ClickUp for project management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start configuring ClickUp for project management, first, create an account if you haven't already. Visit the ClickUp website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your email address and set a password, or sign up using Google. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Begin by creating a new workspace. Click on the Create New Workspace button. Enter a name for your workspace and choose a color theme that suits your project. Next, add team members to your workspace. Invite team members by entering their email addresses and selecting their roles. Once your team is set up, create a new project. Navigate to the Spaces section. Click on Add Space to organize your project areas. Choose a name for your space and configure the privacy settings according to your needs. Now, it's time to create tasks within your project. Click on your newly created space and assign the task to a team member by using the Assignee option. Set a due date to help prioritize your workload. Add any relevant subtasks to break down the main task into manageable steps. Utilize tags or priorities to further categorize tasks. To track progress, use the Status drop-down menu. You can customize this menu to fit your workflow by clicking on Edit Statuses. Next, explore ClickUp's features such as lists, board. Switch to the board view for visual task management if that suits your style. To enhance collaboration, use the Comments section on each task. Here, team members can ask questions or provide updates. Also, attach files directly related to the task for easy access. Once your tasks are set up, view the dashboard for an overview of your project's progress. You can add widgets to visualize key metrics and team performance. Finally, regularly update task statuses and review project timelines during team meetings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.